welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're working with this pattern. This is pattern number 14417 on friendshipbracelets.net, and I'm not entirely sure what we're gonna do with it. It's got a lot of possibilities, though. That's what I'm gonna go with here. Is it has a lot of possibilities of what I might want to try with it. Okay, so we put this on a new layer. We come back down here, grab our bucket. I guess we can use the green. I was not really thinking that that would be what I wanted, but okay, it's fine. So we're gonna put our big diamond, would have been like this, down here at the bottom. That's our 4 squares in between. And then it comes out like that. Right, these are the 2 spaces here. So yeah, so it's like that. That's our So that's how the pattern would normally go. And if we're gonna double it, you know, essentially, well, we have enough space here that this is twice as big, right? But we're not, like if I was doubling this, it would be down one of the sides and we'd flip it over and we'd get the other bit. So I'm thinking, first off, we're gonna add the corners to these diamonds, because of course we are. It would just look cooler if we do it this way. If it was in fact trying to double it, I guess there would be a piece over here. Hang on, let's go with our, yeah, so it comes out like that. I definitely think this would sort of be cooler. So let's take a look first. This one comes in, just kind of keeps popping around and comes out. I don't quite know what I'm doing with this just yet. I kind of feel like that's sort of the direction I want to go. Bring it in so we have something kind of interesting in here. But I'm not entirely convinced in here. Right, because it makes it an unusual shape. And I'm kind of wondering, like, how committed am I really to this little thing in the middle of each of these diamonds? And to be truthful, I'm not entirely sold on it. So let's see what else we could do. We could, if we put this back here, we could make this come to here, right? So then it ends up being a smaller diamond, a bigger diamond, and you get these little diamond-like spaces out here. And I'm not gonna lie, that just seems a little bit more attractive to me. That doesn't go that way. This goes this way. Okay, so this came up. Yeah, it comes back down to here. And then back in. Yeah, okay. So get our blue again. Let's get rid of these center squares. I don't know why it makes such a big difference in my head. I think part of it is when it comes to doing the knots, going around a single diamond is a whole lot easier. Because otherwise you're trying to count, make sure that you're got the right little whatever coming off that one thing. And I think these partial ones on the side kind of give that illusion like the pattern is continuing onwards, further outwards. So I think that's kind of a cool look. Yeah. So there, so we took the pattern, we've made it entirely something new. And now that I kind of know what's going on up here, we can fix this bit. Get rid of that little bit there. So this comes in and comes over this way. Yeah, so 2 green and the rest can be whatever other color. Let's use that off-white color again because I kind of like it. It's just double checking that we have all of the spaces right. And fill hole selection. So I selected by color, hit the whole fill hole selection, and we color in everything. So now I get the select tool and copy our top right corner part of this. Copy and pasting it, that's easy. And then we flip it. So anchor that in place. And again, guidelines make all this stuff really look so easy. It's the guidelines that make it quick. And we're gonna flip it again. And let's see. Fix that one again. And back to the layers, we can hide the layer that we used to make it. In turn, it is very unlike some of the other ones that we did where we had big diamonds and stuff. The spacing of what is inside the middle diamond here is similar to what's out here, but it's not boxed in, and then you have a smaller diamond inside. This is going to have a very interesting look and be distinctly different from, like, say, the one we made yesterday. I think this will be a fascinating project to work on. Something that's worth trying at least. All right, guys, before I go, I want to thank my Patreon supporters, my YouTube members who make all this stuff possible. If you haven't figured out, I go through a lot of string around here, and it's their contributions that help make that even a reality. So I want to thank everybody. If you want to be on that list, all you gotta do is check the links down below. And thank you guys. Just thank you for just hanging out with me this long. So, all right, guys, as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.